What are you doing?
He's looking at the phone because normally we FaceTime. You'll have to FaceTime him too. Where are you at right now?
We're at the Motherhood maternity place. Just getting some shorts.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm gonna kick it over to FaceTime so he can see you.
Alright.
All right. Hold on. See you here in a minute. Look, there's Uncle Sammy.
What are you doing, Tom?
Tell him you're standing up. Tell him you're standing up.